Island vacation tips, must-see destinations and more. Are you dreaming of holidaying in Ireland? Embarking on a journey to the picturesque landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich history that await you? If so, get ready to explore the enchanting charm of the Emerald Isle as we guide you through must-see destinations and more. From hidden gems and natural marvels to captivating historical tapestry, Ireland offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you with unforgettable memories. But where should you go? What should you do? And how can you make the most of your Irish vacation? Let's dive into the best that Ireland has to offer and start planning your dream trip today. Discover Ireland's hidden gems and natural marvels beyond the well-trodden path. Immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring beauty of Ireland's wild Atlantic coastline. Explore the vibrant city life and cultural scene of Dublin, Cork, and Galway. Indulge in the charm of Ireland's rural retreats and countryside landscapes. Delve into Ireland's rich historical tapestry and visit ancient landmarks. Before embarking on your Irish adventure, it's important to consider a few key factors to make the most of your vacation. From choosing the right time to visit Ireland and deciding on the duration of your trip to understanding the currency and transportation options available, careful planning can ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. In this section, we'll provide you with essential tips and guidance to help you plan your Irish vacation with ease and make the most out of your time in this beautiful country. Ireland is renowned for its iconic tourist attractions, but there's so much more to discover beyond the well-trodden path. Step off the beaten path and uncover Ireland's hidden gems. From charming villages tucked away in lush green landscapes to ancient ruins and mystical sites, these unexplored destinations offer a unique and authentic experience of Ireland's rich heritage and culture. Escape the crowds and immerse yourself in the tranquility of these lesser-known wonders. Prepare to be awestruck by the natural beauty that lies hidden in the Irish landscape. One such wonder is the Serpent's Lair, a breathtaking sea cave that seems to defy the laws of nature. Explore Ireland's dramatic coastlines, rugged cliffs, and pristine beaches, and discover the enchanting natural wonders that have remained untouched by the masses. From majestic waterfalls to ancient rock formations, these hidden gems will leave you spellbound. Step back in time and uncover the legends and mysteries of Ireland's haunted castles. These ancient fortresses hold stories of kings, queens, and battles, and are said to be inhabited by restless spirits. Explore the hidden corners of these castles and experience the eerie atmosphere that surrounds them. From the imposing halls of Blarney Castle to the ghostly tales of Leap Castle, these historical haunts will transport you to a different era. Explore the hidden treasures of Ireland and embark on a journey that goes beyond the guidebook. Discover the magic and allure of these unexplored destinations, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Ireland's wild Atlantic coastline is a sight to behold, offering dramatic landscapes and breathtaking views at every turn. Immerse yourself in the raw power and beauty of the Atlantic Ocean by exploring these must-visit coastal destinations. Marvel at the iconic cliffs of Moher, towering 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. These majestic cliffs provide awe-inspiring views and are a highlight of the wild Atlantic Way. Travel the picturesque Ring of Kerry, a scenic route that takes you through stunning coastal and mountain landscapes. Be captivated by charming villages, rugged cliffs, and pristine beaches along the way. Discover the rugged beauty of the Dingle Peninsula, where dramatic cliffs meet the crashing waves of the Atlantic. Explore charming fishing villages, ancient ruins, and sandy beaches while immersing yourself in the rich Irish culture. Experience the stunning beauty of the Antrim coast in Northern Ireland. Explore the famous Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the unique geological formations along the coastline. These coastal destinations along the wild Atlantic Way will leave you in awe of Ireland's natural wonders. Prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking landscapes and immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of the Atlantic coast. Ireland's vibrant cities are a perfect blend of history, culture, and modernity. In this section, we'll explore the enchanting urban escapes that offer a lively atmosphere and a wealth of experiences. Whether you're looking to delve into Irish traditions, indulge in contemporary artistic expressions, or savor the flavors of Irish cuisine, Ireland's cities have it all. Discover Dublin's cultural scene, where the spirit of Irish folklore comes alive. Dive into the captivating tales of ancient legends and mythical creatures that are deeply embedded in the city's history. Explore the vibrant pub culture, where lively music sessions create an unforgettable atmosphere imbued with the famed Irish Craig. Dublin is a treasure trove for history enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Immerse yourself in the history and culinary delights of Cork, a city that seamlessly combines its Viking past with a thriving culinary scene. Explore the narrow, winding streets and discover the charming blend of traditional Irish charm and modern sophistication. Indulge in the delicious flavors of Irish cuisine, from hearty stews to fresh seafood, as you roam the bustling food markets and vibrant restaurants. Experience the artistic soul of Galway, a city known for its vibrant arts and music scene. Stroll through colorful streets filled with lively street performers, artisan markets, and eclectic galleries. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of traditional Irish music and be captivated by the talents of local musicians. Galway's bohemian atmosphere and thriving artistic community make it a hub for creativity and inspiration. Whether you're exploring Dublin's cultural scene, indulging in Cork's culinary delights, or immersing yourself in Galway's artistic soul, Ireland's cities offer a vibrant and enriching experience. The unique blend of history, culture, and modernity creates an atmosphere that is truly enchanting. Discover the treasures of Ireland's urban escapes and create unforgettable memories in these lively and dynamic cities. Ireland is not just about its cities and coastlines, it also boasts enchanting rural retreats and charming countryside landscapes. Experience the tranquility and beauty of the countryside as you escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. From idyllic villages to hidden gems, there's something for everyone seeking a peaceful getaway. Step into a bygone era as you visit Adair's thatched cottages. Located in County Limerick, this picturesque village is known for its charming thatched roof houses that exude old-world charm. Take a leisurely stroll along the streets, admire the colourful gardens, and soak in the peaceful ambience. Adair's thatched cottages provide a tranquil escape and a glimpse into Ireland's rich cultural heritage. The Wild Atlantic Way is a coastal route that stretches over 1,500 miles along Ireland's western coast. But it's not just a drive, it's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of the Atlantic coastline. Explore hidden beaches, majestic cliffs, and vibrant coastal towns as you journey along this breathtaking route. Whether you choose to hike, bike, or simply take in the views, the Wild Atlantic Way offers unforgettable experiences that showcase the wild side of Ireland. While Ireland's coastline is undeniably stunning, the country's inland vistas hold their own charm and beauty. Venture off the beaten path to discover hidden gems that showcase Ireland's diverse landscapes. From rolling green hills and picturesque lakes to ancient ruins and mystical forests, the inland vistas offer a different perspective of Ireland's natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the countryside and uncover the hidden treasures that await. Ireland's rich historical tapestry. Ireland is steeped in history, and its historical sites and landmarks offer a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. From ancient castles and ruins to historical towns and landmarks, exploring Ireland's fascinating historical tapestry is like stepping back in time. These sites not only showcase the architectural wonders of the past, but also hold stories and legends that have shaped Irish culture and identity. Visiting the ancient castles in Ireland is a must when exploring the country's historical sites. These castles, such as Blarney Castle, Trim Castle, and Dunluce Castle, stand as majestic reminders of Ireland's turbulent past and offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who once inhabited them. As you explore their ancient walls and secret passages, you'll be transported to a bygone era, where tales of battles, knights, and royalty come to life. In addition to castles, Ireland is home to numerous ancient landmarks that have stood the test of time. From the ancient monastery of Clonmacnoise to the megalithic passage tomb of Newgrange, these landmarks showcase the incredible craftsmanship and engineering skills of the people who built them thousands of years ago. Standing in their presence, you can't help but marvel at the ingenuity and dedication of those who came before us. The historical sites in Ireland are not just stone structures, they are windows into the past, offering a deeper understanding of the rich heritage that has shaped Ireland into what it is today. Historical towns in Ireland, such as Kilkenny, Galway, and Waterford, are also worth exploring as they provide a glimpse into the daily lives of Irish people throughout the centuries. These towns are like living museums, with their well-preserved medieval streets, charming architecture, and vibrant atmosphere. Strolling through their narrow lanes, you'll feel like you've stepped into a different time, where the stories of the past are woven into the very fabric of the present. Immerse yourself in Ireland's rich historical tapestry, and you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the country's culture and identity. This journey through the ages will leave you captivated by the stories, legends, and architectural wonders that have shaped Ireland into the remarkable country it is today. As your journey through Ireland comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the memories you've created and the experiences you've had. From exploring the hidden gems and feeling the beauty of the coastline to immersing yourself in city life and discovering Ireland's rich history, your Irish vacation has been filled with memorable experiences. Now that you've experienced the magic of Ireland, it's time to start planning your next adventure to this incredible country. Whether you're dreaming of revisiting your favorite spots or exploring new destinations, Ireland offers endless possibilities for crafting your ideal vacation. When planning your dream trip to Ireland, consider the experiences that resonated with you the most. Were you captivated by the charm of rural retreats and countryside landscapes? Did the vibrant city life and cultural scene leave a lasting impression? Perhaps you were drawn to the historical tapestry that weaves through Ireland. By carefully crafting your itinerary, you can ensure that your future journey across Ireland is filled with more cherished memories. Embrace the unexpected, immerse yourself in the local culture, and discover the hidden corners that make this country truly special. With its undeniable charm and enchanting landscapes, Ireland is waiting to provide you with another unforgettable adventure.